Hey everyone, I'm back again with another tutorial on free favicons. I'm going to show you how to create a free favicon for your blog. This is a complete beginner's guide if you're just starting your blog and you want to know how you can customize it. So let's get started. Now before we begin, I just want to show you what a favicon is. You see this little image at the top of your browser next to the title of your blog? This is your site icon, and it is widely known also as a favicon. So you need to be signed in on your blog, and if you're on the home page, you can go ahead and select the Customize tab to find your dimensions, because we need to know what kind of size we're going to be working with before we can go ahead and start creating the favicon. Once you're in your Customizer tab, you want to look for General Settings. Now each theme is different. No theme is the same. So you just want to look for where it says site logo, title, and tagline. You want to select that and you want to scroll all the way down. Now this here is your favicon. I've already added mine, and now I'm going to show you how you can create one and add it to your blog. So yours is not, you're not going to have an image here. It's going to say upload an image. So you just want to click on that. Mine, it's going to tell me to change the image or not. This is what you want to be looking for, the dimensions at the top here. So the size of your favicon should be 512 by 512 pixels. Now that we've gotten that, we want to go to Canva. If you do not have a Canva account, you need to go ahead and create one. So once you're in your Canva dashboard, and Canva is free, by the way, so you're not going to pay anything for that. You want to go to where it says custom dimensions. You just click on that, and this is where you're going to add the 5 by 12 by 5 by 12 pixels, and just select design. Now, like before, we created the logo. If you want to see the size of your canvas, you can just grab one of these layouts and just click on it, and it's going to take form of your blank canvas. So now that you have an idea of what your canvas should look like, you can go ahead and delete that because you're not going to be using it. It's just to show you what it's all about. So for this, you can also go ahead and use logos. Let's go and check for logos. Or you could also check for favicon. And let's see if there are some free favicons on here. And favicons are literally like logos. So just go ahead and check for logos, and you're going to get some free. Now usually I like to use the exact same logo that I use on my blog as my favicon as well. So I'm going to select this one, and you just click on it, and it's going to take its shape. Now what you want to do is you want to drag it until it fits on the canvas itself, and that is it. That is all you have to do. Next, you want to rename this as, okay, let's say favicon number 1. You just want to rename it into something that you're not going to forget, so you can locate it on your computer. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the white background. So I use Photoshop to remove the white backgrounds, but you can use the site that I showed you guys, and it's called the burner.bonanza. I'm going to leave a link in the description. This site is free. All you got to do is use your sign up for a free account, and you would be able to download your image once you have removed the white background. So let me go ahead and download the favicon. And when you're downloading images off of Canva, you want to select the PNG format. Just make sure that they are in PNG format, and you click on download. So to use the Bonanza site to go ahead and remove the backgrounds, you can just go ahead, and once you're on the site, I'm going to leave a link, and you want to choose your photo. So this is going to open up your file section on your computer. Just go to downloads, and I named that to favicon number 1. Okay, it's going to show up there, and we want to open the image. Now this burner is going to remove the background and it's going to give you a transparent background so that you would be able to download it. Let me just do this for you guys to see, and there you have it. So yeah, you want to select that. This is, you wouldn't see it, you wouldn't see the transparent background, but they give you 3 options of what your image is going to look like. But these have been, the backgrounds have been removed from these images. So you can select either of these, and once you select it, just wait a second until it opens up. And sometimes I think you need to go ahead and select it again. Okay, there you have it. You want this to come out. Log in to download. So I already logged in. I already opened an account, a free account with them, and I just want to go ahead and download. So I'm going to show you, because you need to go ahead and, let me go back and do that, log in. Now you can sign up with Gmail or a Facebook account, Google Plus or a Facebook account. You want to download this as a PNG format, because you have 2 options here. Download as a JPEG or download as a PNG format. You want to choose the second option. You can go ahead and it is going to download to your computer. This is how you use the site. It's going to get downloaded to your computer. And that is it. So I'm going to go and remove the white background with the Photoshop because I prefer that. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can use this option. And then we're going to upload it to the blog. Now we already had this opened up because we wanted to get the dimensions, but now what you want to do is you want to select the upload files. And this is how you would be able to upload your favicon to your blog. So just a second. As you can see, I've uploaded the icon and you just want to click on select. It's going to take you to a cropping page where you need to crop the photo, or there it is, because you chose the right dimensions. You don't need to crop the icon at all. So there it is loading, and all you need to do now is click the save and publish. Now if I just show you at the top of the page, just a sec, now the favicon of my site has changed. So this is how you can create a free favicon, and you can add it to your blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I am going to get back to you. I'm also going to leave a link for Canva and for Bonanza so that you can use these 2 sites to go ahead and create your favicon. So like always, you guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good evening.